It was early one morning, young Willie arose, and off to his comrade's bedchamber he goes. Arise, my dear comrade, and let no one know. 'Tis a fine sunny morning, and a bathing we'll go. Oh, Willie plunged in, and he swam the lake round. He swam to an island, it was soft marshy ground. Do not venture in. There is deep and false water in the lakes of Coolfin. It was early that morning Willie's sister arose, and up to her mother's bedchamber she goes. I dreamed a sad dream about Willie last night. He was dressed in a shroud of snow white. It was early that morning Willie's mother came in. She was wringing her hands and tearing her hair. Oh, woe is the hour young Willie plunged in, for there is deep and false water in the lakes of Coolfin. And I saw a fair maid standing by the shore. Her face, it was pale, she was weeping full sore. In deep anguish she gazed where young Willie plunged in. Ah, there is deep and false water in the lakes of Coolfin.